How does your credit score affect even your insurance? People don't realize that your credit score affects literally everything from getting a cell phone to getting freaking internet to getting television or cable, right? Today's video is about how it affects insurance, and not only auto insurance, but also home insurance. I'm Stephanie Weeks, and I've been helping thousands and thousands of people with their mortgage financing for over 18 years. So this is why you should listen to me. This is why you should stay tuned to the end of the video. And I want to say thank you so much for tuning in. A lot of people don't realize that what goes into insurance is a number of factors, and they do also pull your credit. It's a soft pull. It's not a hard pull. They use a different grading scale than we would as mortgage lenders. So they're not going to pull the same grade that we would or the same score that we would, because it's those different grading scales. And they also look at things like, have you had any claims? Have you had any accidents? Accidents at your home, claims at your home for storms or just whatever, right? And with the auto, whether or not you've had any accidents and who was at fault. They look at those things, but another really heavy piece to that puzzle it's going to be your credit score. So I like to relate a lot of things as going back to high school, although it was a million years ago, and how you had like your exam grade versus your homework grade versus your quiz grade, right? And so when it comes to home insurance and also even your auto insurance, that credit score has a pretty big impact on that overall grade and or rating, and therefore how much that you're going to pay for home or auto insurance in relation to someone else. Now, auto insurance also has to do with your age, of course, and male versus female, of course. With your home, I don't think that necessarily matters quite so much as the other things, but it's all really super important. And so no matter what you're looking to do in life, you've got to lead with a really good credit score, because it makes such a difference in what you're going to pay on literally anything and everything. And I had a deal recently when it comes to mortgage financing where in both instances, the homes were new. Okay, so we're a level playing field for that. There are other things that go into it, but that's a big part, is the age of the home, right? And so we had that, and both homes were $300,000. And even though my credit scores are different than insurance credit scores, one borrower had a 740 with me and another person had a 660. Well, for the same price and the same coverage with the different scores, and neither one had claims, it was $1,000 difference in the premium. That's $83 a month. There's a lot of things you could do with $83 a month, more especially investing, right? But lots of other things in addition to that. So let's lead with a good, solid credit score first, because you want any and all of your insurance to be as cheap as possible, because insurance, you don't need it until you need it, unfortunately. Give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email, because we would love to help you with your financing. No matter what state you're in, I've got connections everywhere if it's not me directly. So for anything and everything mortgage needs, please reach out, 985-LOAN or weeksteam.com.